Hi everyone, shall we make a little bunny? I cut a piece of fabric 13 centimeter by 11 centimeters and we fold it here in half. Look, just right. Now we bring it together here, look, and we're going to sew it, either by machine or by hand. I sewed it. Now we turn it right side out and we're going to baste all the way around here. Look. You'll see that making this little bunny is quick, it's easy. Wow, you'll make a bunch at once, right? I basted everything. And make a little stitch to finish it off. I cut a cord of 22 centimeters, tied a knot at each end, then we fold it in half and glue it here like this, so it doesn't move out of place and stays just right. Look, center the little dress here so it stays just right. A little bit of glue here, glue it inside the dress. Glue it up there, okay? I cut it into a 6-centimeter circle and I'm going to baste all around it. I basted it all, cut it into a 3-centimeter circle. I used a milk carton. Then this part here, look, we put it facing this way. Pull here. Add a few stitches to finish. It has to look like this, see? Nice and neat, really tight. Put a little bit of glue on the dress and stick the head on. To make the ear, I cut felt 2 cm by 5 cm. Then you just cut it like this, see? It's easy. There's no secret to it. See? Then you make 2 little ears. A little bit of glue. Put one little ear on top of the other. Now come here and adjust where you want this little ear to go. Think about it. How do you want it? A little more glue. I'm telling you, it's really easy to make this little bunny. You can make them as gifts or to sell. Look, it's a nice little gift for Easter, isn't it? Guys, I'm going to put a little ribbon flower, but you can decorate it however you want. Here on the channel, I teach how to make this little ribbon flower. You just have to search like this on YouTube, Janilda Ferreira Flor de Fita. I cut a 6 centimeter felt circle and I'm going to finish off the stitching here on the back. I cut a 17 cm cord. I tied a knot at each end. I fix it here. Look, just right. A little bit of glue. Look at that neat finish. What makes the piece valuable is doing it well, okay? Hot glue can't show, all right? A little bit of glue here. I drew the bunny's face with Micron 005 pens, one black and one brown. With acrylics paint, I made a little dot on the eye. And for the cheeks, I used a little bit of makeup. Look how cute it turned out. Guys, this little bunny is going to be a fridge magnet. So I'm going to glue a magnet on her here. Look. But I'm going to show you the other one I made, which is a keychain. And you can also think of other possibilities to use this little bunny. Tell me in the comments what you're going to use this little bunny for. Look how cool. I glued a little ribbon here and it became a keychain. You just need to put a little key ring here, see? You don't even need this little key ring if you want. You can use this little bunny in many different ways. Think about it. You can stick it on a gift bag. Tell me, are you going to make a keychain, a fridge magnet, and what else? I'm in love with these cute things that are so easy to make. If you liked this video, like it, share it, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.